Hey guys, this is John from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today, we're going to show you how vapor honing can prep your surface for a new coating. So we get a lot of customers asking us how vapor honing can prep a surface for a new coating. We typically ask our customers to use aluminum oxide to prep their parts for a new coating. So in today's video, we're going to use 120 aluminum oxide in the micro vapor hone. And after that, we're going to go to the VH1000, which will have 220. So we're going to give you sort of a side-by-side comparison. So let's get started. So like I said, right next to me, this is the micro vapor hone. This is basically our starter machine for anybody who is interested in vapor honing. This is very simple to use. All you need is air, and water and abrasive. The micro vapor hone does not need any power. Like I said, all it needs is air, and we already put water in it. And in a few minutes, we're gonna put 5 pounds of the 120 aluminum oxide. So I'm gonna get started and put the abrasive inside the machine. So now that we've put the abrasive in, we can get started. Like I said, this machine is very simple to use. So all we have to do is we're over here, turn on the air and we're good to go. The reason why we're using vapor honing is because vapor honing does not harm the surface of your parts. Unlike dry blasting, vapor honing uses water, which cushions the abrasive. So as you're prepping your surface for that coating, it will not harm the integrity of the part. All right, let's see what the 120 gave us. So this is the kind of finish you can get with a 120 aluminum oxide if you are prepping it for a new coating. And now let's go to the 1000 with the 220. Like I said, this is the 1000. This is our industrial wet blasting machine. Like I said, this has the 220 aluminum oxide. The micro has a 120, so it's a little bit rougher as far as the mesh size go, but this should give you a good surface for your new coating. Let's go ahead and let's start it up. All right, so now we're back. This is the 120 aluminum oxide and this is the 220. The 120, from my eyes, looks a lot darker than the 220 side. Since the 120 is a little bit rougher than the 220, the 220 is sort of giving more of a bright and matte finish, while this one's a little bit darker. So guys, if you have any questions about vapor honing and how it can prep your parts for a new coating, you can call us at 828-202-5563. You can also check us at our website at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com, where we have plenty of content like blogs where we discuss aluminum oxide, what kind of mesh size you can use to prep your parts for a new coating, and all that is on our website. You can also check us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We have so many videos that talk about the micro vapor hone, the VH1000, and what we just did today. I'm John, and thanks for watching.